Michigan, where the young Thomas Edison sold newspapers during the American Civil War. The large brick building to the left is the Detroit, Lima, and Milwaukee Roundhouse, originally built in Marshall, Michigan in 1884, parts of which were brought here to Greenfield Village and rebuilt in the year 2000. The roundhouse is where we take our steam locomotives and our rolling stock for inspection, service, maintenance, and repair. And we're now in back of Liberty Craft Works, the arts and crafts section of the village. You can go into the buildings over there and watch our master craft grad work. And glass flooring, pottery, ginsmithing, printing, wool cutting, weaving. We even have a couple of sawmills over there and a grist mill to look at. Well now, we've almost made a complete circle of Greenfield Village. We're back in the working farm district. Coming up on the right is the Firestone farmhouse from Columbia County, Ohio, from the late 1880s. Firestone Farm was the home and birthplace of Harvey Firestone, who was a friend of Henry Ford and founded the Firestone Tire and Rubber Company in 1900.
Look, the fence. Where the fence? Where the fence?
The Firestone train station at the main gate. Please remain seated until the train completely stops. Keep the chains up. I'll give you the all clear when the air brakes are set. And it is safe to stand. At this stop, those of you leaving us may exit only right-hand side. Right-hand side only, please. That's where the train platform is at. Please remain seated until you hear the whistle. Ladies and gentlemen, it's safe to exit on the right. Thank you for riding with us. Enjoy the rest of your day. We'll be here only a few minutes before starting out at another complete circle of Greenfield Village.
Where's